the Cuda, you're going to be.
Hi guys, so now we are off to the airport and it's just the two of us. So you have to behave, okay? There's no yaya. Can we do it?
No, yeah.
Are you gonna behave?
Yes.
We're a tag team, okay?
Okay.
Oy, are you still sleeping?
I'm not sleepy.
Why are you not smiling? Kaya natin to.
Actually, you will be on your way to the beautiful island of Boracay.
It's okay, lover. Why do you look scared?
And then the shark is not eating me.
No, there's no shark here.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna see the dolphin and the baby dolphin is cute.
Naku, hanap tayo ng dolphin. Kulay violet naman. Siguro blueberry snacks yung kinain mo sa plane. Oh, gusto pala yun. Ah, okay, sige po. Ay, grabe naman. Thank you. Athena, that's for you. You have roses. Thank you.
Welcome to Coast po.
Thank you po.
By the way, my name is Julie. I'm the hotel manager.
Hi, hello, Miss
It's a
Julie.
pleasure to have you here.
Hi. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, lamig. Oh, you wanna see the room?
Welcome to your room. Please come in.
Wow. Nako, kitang-kita niya pala agad yung swimming pool. Oh, thank you. Athena, oh, there! Ayaw nga. Wow. That's Athena. Ooh.
You have your dessert platter.
Wow, that's so yummy. Look, ah.
Can I see? Wow.
Wow.
And also, you have your
Wow, it's so nice.
fruit basket po.
Ganda ng room nila dito, guys. Nako, sinimulan na ang dessert tray. Cheers! Ayan na pala si Uncle Jester. Sige, Jester, happy hour na. Pabantayan na lang, ha?
Sa dalampasigan.
I didn't guess.
It's algae.
Huh? You're so pretty, lover. Another day, another Machi. Come, show them. Hi. We're Machi. Actually guys, hindi talaga yun yung sapatos niya, pero gustong-gusto niya talagang nagko-crocs. Ayaw niya nagsasandals. So, let's go to the beach! Hi guys! Buo na tayo. Thank you Mami Borlado and Mami Doms. Dahil, huy, nabuo. Buo siya pero kakulay niya ang e-trike.
Can I go in the beach? Mommy, can I go in the beach? Can I go in the beach?
We're going now. Este trabaho. Trabaho siya. Posting yarn. Ay, naiinggit. Naglalap kami dito. There's your ice cream. Look. So big. Commercial. Can you show them Yummy? Can you see Yummy? Oy, 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 oy. You know the song? Ice cream Yummy. Hindi niya yun. Hindi niya. Tuturo. Hindi. Okay lang.
Mango.
Mango. Oh, thank you. Oh, you want spoon? What did you say? What did you say? Wow!
Wow! Ay,
Wow, wow,
pwede ko kainin lahat. Ang joke.
Isang ube champurado. Pero pwede wala to.
I want that. That was when we say no. It's for Athena.
That's for Athena.
May Athena. Nakatulog ako dito. Ay, susundan pa kita nun. Sorry.
Sobrang effortan mo naman yung friendship natin.
Sorry kasi ito nagpapabideo ko ng alin ko pagalit.
Okay ka dyan? Relax na ako.
Uy! Kumapit ka!
Baka lang ah.
Kumapit ka!
Pakibantayan yung bata.
Ay!
Another day, another matching. Hello, lover. You're so beautiful. Are you matchy again with mommy? Ano ba yan? Oh, wiwi? Okay. Wiwi only? Or pupu? Wiwi only ah.
Meow.
Ay, sorry.
You are.
You ha? You like it? Ba't tayo nandito? Bakit tayo nandito?
Ate, coffee lang, di ba?
Ano yan? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes.
Happy family.
Happy
Hi.
family.
Ilan taon na yung anak natin?
Alam mo sa'yo, huwag ka masyado nagdidikit sa akin. Sabihin, parang kitang pinikot. Alam mo yun? Parang... Athena, magkakape kami. Alam mo namang isang turo mo lang, nanginginig na kami
Ate,
agad.
anong pupunta namin kape dapat? Ang ending ito, very sweet.
Guys, alam niyo ba, least favorite ko to na ride, Ferris wheel. Ate, napaka-OA mo, nag-Korea na tayo na roller coaster.
Pero hindi na parang gumagalaw na ganito, ate.
Yes. My hat.
Oo, OA.
Look from my hat, ha?
Okay po, ha?
I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. Hey! What are you doing?
I'm gonna order.
We're gonna order?
Yes.
Kanta mo yan.
Bibirit yan.
I can't wait much longer. Sasayaw yan for sure. Sasayaw yan. Wait lang.
Guys, umorder siya. Hinayaan ko siya mag-order. Ayun ang nangyari. In-order niya lahat ng pastry. Athena Ray, did you order that? So many!
What will you say?
Thank you. Swimming again. Careful. Unang-una sa Balota, Mat Nicolay. Morning guys. Wala, leave din siya sa umaga. Dito kami magbe-breakfast. Sa coast pa din, dito kami nag-stay ngayon. So excited to eat. Ang sarap ng food nila dito sa Chacha. Sobra. Favorite ko yung kansi nila. Tapos yung Paradise Burger ba yun? At saka yung champorado nila.
Ginawa daw silang pancake for ano.
Really?
May ginawa daw sila.
Oh, thank you. Yun na lang yung breakfast niya. Thank you so much, ate.
Wow, napaka-spoiled mo naman eh.
You're so spoiled dito sa coast, ha? Kahit na ikaw ang sumusulit ng pool nila na parang 3 times a day ka na naliligo dito. Mas madalas ka pa mag-swimming kaysa mag-toothbrush. Let's eat, guys. Good morning. Ang saya. May taho. Yay! Gusto ko talaga to yung ako yung nagko-customize ng taho ko. Sago-sago. Ay! Sobrang saya. Ayan, ang saya ni Madam. May cereal siya. This is Mommy's and this is Athena's. Guys, sobrang sweet nila, oh. Sila may gawa niyang Hello, Athena. This is so cute, so thoughtful. Hindi ko alam, guys. Same lang naman kami ng hotel, pero magka-video call pa rin kami habang nag-aayos kami.
It's Mommy's mic.
Parehas tayo ng ginagawa.
Parehas kaming ginagawa, guys. So, nag-aayos kami parehas. Another day, another slate. So, then, ayan, habang tulog, bebre. Ay, nako, lover. You're so cute. Sleep pa din siya. Ay, so cute. Kitang-kita yung bilog ng mukha. It's so beautiful.
Sino one rice?
Thank you. Ako one rice lang. Sinong nanay niyan? Ito. Ito yung nanay. Ayun yung anak. Ayun yung audience. Go! Tsaka talagang ayaw mong kunin. Hey. 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 Guys, must try itong burger tsaka yung bangus nila. Actually, yung kansi din, pero hindi namin in-order ngayon. Oh, yeah, I will pray first. But you're eating already. Other hand. Cheese! Ay, sus, ang magninang.
Parang hindi na
Kasalukuyan pong nalaglag si Jester. May isa pa tayong ilalaglag.
Ate, hindi mo talaga kailangan. Ate, hindi mo, isa lang yung buhay lang. Patay na ako, may UFO pa to. Ah! Ate! Dami natin na natin! Dami na! Yeah!
Hi, vlog. Looking for a guy. Hi, guys. Dagan lang. Careful lang. The boat is Hindi. Mali. Super enjoy yan siya. It's giving, let's do it again, Mom. Best day ever. Kumbaga, isusulat niya to sa formal writing sa high school. Kakatapos lang namin mag-UFO pag-break ko. Tulog na. Ayan, babe. Humihilik pa. Another day, another matchy. Sobrang cute. Thank you so much, Coast. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami dito. Sobrang babait din ng mga staff.